This is the video's second part. Is it profitable to buy and sell pre-construction properties in Puerto Vallarta, Mexico? Well, it is highly profitable, and here are some tips for success to make it an even more lucrative business. Investing in pre-construction properties in Puerto Vallarta also offers the advantage of getting in on the ground floor of new developments, which can lead to higher returns in the long run. Additionally, Puerto Vallarta's status as a popular tourist destination can provide a stable and growing market for investors. It is important to research the market, choose the appropriate property to invest in, work with a reliable team, have an exit plan, and consider factors such as location and amenities. In conclusion, flipping properties in Puerto Vallarta can be lucrative if done intelligently and strategically. At MexLife Realtors, we have the best options for you.